class I have done this for you, but is it possible? So some students have asked, is it possible to do this in, suppose in the examination I'm not getting this an idea, I started like this, how to do this. Here what you write the same diagram. Here what you have to write, x square plus y square equal to r square, correct? Don't write theta and all that, x square plus. Therefore, what is y square? Y square is equal to r square minus x square. Therefore, y is equal to square root of r square minus x square. Understood? Therefore, what is area? What about the area here? Area is equal to length into breadth, correct? What is length? 2x. Breadth 2y. Therefore, area is equal to 4x into y. But y is this, is substitute here. 4x, y is square root of r square minus x square. This is the area. I will work it out. This is the next page. Right? What is the area here? Now, area is equal to 4xy or 4xy is what? Square root of r square minus x square. Condition for maxima and minima, it takes so much time. Better you do one thing, squaring both sides. If you square it, what will get? 16x square r square minus x square, correct? Squaring both sides, it will be easy for me. Put this value as a z for your convenient. I'll put z for my convenient because that is the function of area, right? Z is the function of area. Or else you can write differentiate. Suppose I put z here. Z is equal to, area is the constant, area, variable area only. Z is equal to dz by dx. I do it. Let us see. Differentiate with this variable. I cannot. For r is a constant. 16 is constant. Here u into v, no? X square. Or you better multiply this 16 into r square x square minus x to the power of 4. You can multiply inside. Therefore, this is z. Z is equal to this. Therefore, dz by dx is equal to 16 r square. Differential equation x square is what? 2x. Here 4x cube. Understood? Now, condition for maxima or minima is what? Area should be 0. That is dz by dx is equal to 0. That means this quantity should be 0. Or r square 2x minus 4x cube should be 0. Divide throughout by what? 2x. Therefore, r square minus 2x square equal to 0. Or 2x square should be r square. Or x square is equal to r square by 2. Or x is equal to r root 2. Right? X. Then what is length? Length is 2x, is it not? Length is 2x. X is what? R root 2. Therefore, root 2 and root 2 into r root 2 get cancelled. Length should be root 2 r. Right? Now, when length is equal to x is equal to, what is y? What is r square? What is y square? What is y? Y is square root of r square minus x square. What is x square? Here what? R square. X square is what? R square by 2. Again what? R square by 2 only will get it. Therefore, root 2 root r by, no, r by root 2. Y is equal to r by root 2. x is r by root 2, y is also r by root 2. Therefore, breadth is what? 2b, 2y. That means 2y is what? R root 2. 2 converts root 2 into root 2 or root 2. Get cancelled. Breadth also root 2r. Length is equal to breadth. Equate it. Now, sometimes they may ask, see here, equating this for condition for maxima or minima. But what about the second derivative if they ask how to do this? What is the second derivative of this? You further you can do it if you want. What is it? dz by dx equal to what you got? I got this much, is not. Second derivative d square z by dx square is equal to 16 r square constant. 2x is what? 2 differentiate. Here 4 3s are 12 x square. Then what? Substitute the value of x. What is the value of x? X square is what? R square by 2, right? That means 16 2r square minus 12 r square by 2. Understood? Here how many times it goes? 6 times. Therefore 16 2r square minus 6r square. Therefore 16 minus 4r square minus 64r square. Negative, right? It is negative. Therefore when x equal to r by root 2, that means second derivative is less than 0. Second derivative less than 0. Therefore the area is maximum when x is equal to r by root 2 or length is equal to root 2r. Similarly, breadth is also root 2r. Length equal to breadth, both are equal now. Therefore, it is a square. The maximum rectangle inscribed in the circle. The maximum rectangle inscribed in the circle is a square. You can do this way also, but it will take maximum time in the examination. Right? Therefore, if you want some more sums are there, still that see the perimeter of a rectangle is 100 meter perimeter. Okay, find the length of the side when area is maximum. Perimeter means x length, breadth, length, breadth. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 2x plus 2y. 2 is what? X plus y equal to the perimeter. Perimeter is what? 100. Therefore, x plus y equal to what? 50 divided by 2. Therefore, y is equal to 50 minus x. Then what is the area? What is the area of the rectangle? X and y. But y is what? 50 minus x. Therefore, a is equal to 50x minus x square. Therefore, dA, condition for maximum area, dx by dt is equal to what? 50 minus 2x. And second derivative is equal to minus 2, less than 0. Condition for maximum or minimum is equal to what? The first derivative equate to 0. When you equate to 0, what will get? X equal to 25 will get it. When equal to 0, x equal to 25. When x equal to 25, what is the value of y is also 25. Therefore, when x equal to y, therefore what? Length equal to breadth. Therefore, length is equal to breadth. Therefore, the maximum area of the rectangle is equal to square. When it is square, the length should be equal to breadth is equal to 25 unit. Therefore, looking itself, the problem you can always tell in any circle inscribed on that. You need not work it out all that. You are already worked enough problems, but on the same basis only they are going to ask all the sums. See, there is a problem. See, there one circle is there and a square is also there. The circle of radius r, the square side is x. Therefore, what is the perimeter of this? Perimeter of square is what? 4x. Perimeter of the circle is how much? 2 pi r, correct? Then area of the circle is what? Pi r square. Then area of the square is equal to x square. Now I am going to formulate one problem. The sum of the perimeter of the circle and the square are given. That is the total perimeter. This is given. Okay, show that when the sum of the area means area of the circle plus area of the square, if the sum of the area is least, if this area is least, that implies the side of the square is equal to its diameter of the circle. That means what? How to imagine? This is a circle. No, I imagine like this, right? This is r, this is r, this is x. Do you remember in chemistry we will come across in the 3 dimension unit cube, one single cell. That means simple cubic cell. There only one atom is present inside a cube. Then this is divided into 8 equal parts and kept in a corner type. Do you remember? Here one corner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. That then another thing also you'll be learning, I think. Packing fraction. What is packing fraction? It is the ratio of volume of the sphere by volume of the cube multiplied by 100. Packing fraction. That means it is the volume occupied by the ratio of what? Volume of the sphere divided by volume of a cube, right? That one in the percentage. A different percentage you will be calculating. Don't bother about all these things. Now, how to do this sum? That means what is the perimeter? What is given here? This is given. What is the given? Perimeter of a circle is what? 2 pi r plus perimeter of the square is what? 4x is equal to p is given. This is the first equation. And what is the area? Area of this what? Area of the circle is what? Pi r square and x square. Now the problem is you convert everything in terms of only one variable. Here p is the constant. This is what? Constant, right? Therefore everything you convert in terms of r. Because I don't want this r. R you convert everything in terms of x. See, this I will send it here. I am going to eliminate r. R you eliminate x. Therefore better I am going to eliminate r itself. Or which one you feel? R square is equal to, but I am going to eliminate x. Let us see. 4x equal to what? P minus 2 pi r. Therefore x is equal to 1/4 p minus 2 pi r. Then x square is substitute here. Area is equal to pi r square. X square is what? 1/16 p minus 2 pi r the whole square. The condition for least area. Therefore dA by dr should be 0. Condition for maxima or minima. I am equating. Let us see. I am just differentiating and equating 0. Let us see what happens. Here what? dA by dt is what? dA by dr is equal to 2 pi r plus 1 by 16. This is the chain rule, right? 2 jumps, p minus 2 pi r, 2 minus 1 into d by dr of p minus 2 pi r, correct? Therefore, this you are equating 0, this is equal to 2 pi r plus 1 by 8 p minus 2 pi r to the power of 1. P is constant, 0 minus 2 pi. Differentiate with respect. Then again what to write? 2 pi r plus 1 by 8. Here minus 2 pi p minus 2 pi r equal to 0. Now here 4 times it goes and divide throughout by then 2 pi r minus pi by 4 p minus 2 pi r equal to 0. Multiply throughout by pi r, else divide throughout by pi and send this 2r is equal to 1 by 4 p minus 2 pi r. Cross multiply, 8r is equal to p minus 2 pi r. But p is what we are trying to do, this not 2 pi r 8r. Then it's really hectic. D pi by dt 8 pi r is equal to the condition for this one 8r plus but what is p? P is equal to this is 8r is equal to, but what is p? P is equal to P is equal to 2 pi r plus 4x minus 2 pi r. This one will cancel. 8r is equal to 4x. Divide throughout by 4. 2r is equal to x. Or x is equal to 2r. Or x is equal to diameter. See. That means the side of the square. This is what? Side of the square is equal to diameter. The side of the square equal to diameter. Now same way they may ask you, see, this is the value you got, it is not. So what is second derivative? D square by dat square. Second derivative also you can do this one. If you say d by dr square, what you get? 2 pi plus this is 1 by 8. Here I am doing it, okay? 1 by 8, this is 2 pi, 1 by 8. Then differentiate, this is 0 minus 2 pi. This is constant, minus 2 pi there only. As a result, what I will get? 2 pi by minus plus 4 pi square by 8. Then how many times it goes? That 2 pi plus pi square by 2 is a positive value, is it not? Therefore, second derivative is what? Greater than 0. That implies what? A should be is minimum or least at this value. At which one? X equal to 2r. Okay. Therefore, this type of sums, very rarely see this is only for the students who are going to a C level, B level and C level. Okay. Anyway, the maximum minima, if any have some more problems, that we will do in the second levels, C level and D level. For this is sufficient for your final exam as well as your common entrance. Thank you.